Ever feel like your business phone system is stuck in the age of fax machines and pagers? You know, the kind that rings only on the desk phone in the corner, forcing you to scramble for messages or miss important calls entirely. Enter Grasshopper, a virtual phone system app promising to revolutionize how you answer calls and manage your business communications. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? That's what we're here to dissect today. So, is the Grasshopper phone app good? The answer, like most things in life, depends. For entrepreneurs and small businesses yearning to ditch the clunky desk phone and embrace a mobile, professional calling experience, Grasshopper offers a ton of potential. Here's why it might be the perfect fit. Freedom to work from anywhere. Imagine answering calls and sending texts with a designated business number, all from your smartphone. Grasshopper makes this a reality. No more juggling personal and professional calls. It's like having a virtual office receptionist in your pocket, ready to greet clients and connect you wherever you roam. This flexibility is a game changer for freelancers, remote teams, and anyone who prioritizes a work-life balance. Professional Polish on a budget. Let's face it, a dedicated business phone number screams legitimacy. Grasshopper allows you to choose a vanity number, a local number to establish a regional presence, or even a toll-free number for a nationwide image. Plus, features like custom greetings, voicemail transcriptions, and call forwarding ensure a polished experience that leaves a great first impression. All this at a fraction of the cost of traditional phone systems. Win-win. Simplicity is king. Setting up and using Grasshopper is a breeze. No complicated hardware installations or IT headaches. The app boasts a user-friendly interface that lets you manage greetings, extensions, and call forwarding with just a few clicks. Calling features galore. Grasshopper isn't a bare-bones app. You get features like caller ID, call forwarding, voicemail transcriptions, and the ability to send and receive business text messages, all crucial for staying on top of communication. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. While Grasshopper is fantastic for many, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Here's what to consider before hitting subscribe. Limited integrations. Grasshopper integrates with a few popular business tools, but the selection is somewhat limited compared to more robust VoIP services. If seamless integration with your CRM or project management software is critical, you might need to explore other options. Focus on basic needs. While Grasshopper offers a solid set of features, it doesn't cater to businesses with complex communication needs. If you require video conferencing, advanced call routing, or large-scale call centers, you'll likely need a more comprehensive VoIP solution. App dependence. Grasshopper heavily relies on the mobile app, which can be a drawback for some. While a desktop app exists, it offers less functionality. If you prefer a traditional desk phone setup, Grasshopper might not be the best fit. Customer service concerns. While generally positive, some user reviews mention occasional glitches with the app and less than stellar customer service experiences. It's always wise to do your research and weigh these potential drawbacks. Grasshopper shines for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses seeking a user-friendly and affordable way to manage their business calls. The mobility, professional features, and budget-friendly pricing make it a compelling solution. However, if you crave advanced integrations, extensive features, or a robust desktop experience, you might need to explore alternative VoIP providers. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Grasshopper is right for you is to try it yourself. Many plans offer free trials, so take advantage of them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.